Hey there, muscle car fans. Thank you for watching Pedal to the Metal. Today we're going to show you a very rare 1970 Chevrolet Chevelle SS. But not just any Chevelle. This car is equipped with the factory original numbers matching driveline, and also a very rare driveline because this car is equipped with the L78 high spec high performance 396, which had 375 factory original horsepower. Only very few of these cars left the factory, and the fact that this car is also completely restored, but besides that also 100% factory original in condition, so this means never any welding or damage is done to the complete body or the floors. Nothing has ever been touched. Makes this car a very great piece. It's more of a type of a survivor car, but yes, it's been restored, which is a big plus. While this means that everything you see on this car is in fantastic condition. The complete engine, transmission and driveline of the car was restored to factory specs and completely checked and serviced by Pedal to the Metal as well. The color of the car is also a very rare color, which you can see looks amazing on this car, combined with the white factory SS stripes. The car also has some other special options, like it's a true and rare cowl induction hood car with power steering. It also has front disc brakes with power brakes, and it's got a custom interior. Everything you see here has been touched and restored, and the rare thing on this car that it's besides being numbers matching, which is absolutely extremely rare for a Chevelle, we also have the build sheet of the car. This way you have proof that all the options you see on this car are also factory original, and that the car is still in its factory original condition and color. All in all, this car is not only looking fantastic, but it also drives truly amazing, just like the day it left the factory. Inside and out, everything is in perfect condition, and if you look at the pictures on our website, you can see the complete underside of this car is also in amazing condition. So for anybody who likes the 70s Chevelles, and we absolutely do, this is one rare, great, fantastic car. It's absolutely highly collectible and would be a great asset for any car fan to have and enjoy. More information about this car, a full description, pictures, and of course pricing you can find on our website. Just go to www.pedaltothemetal.nl and you can find this car there. Thank you for watching.